When Sputnik was orbited on October 4, 1957, the whole world reacted with fear of weapons of mass destruction, which created a military problem. But scientists and engineers who were engaged in the International Geophysical Year explained that outer space could be used for many beneficial purposes and turned fear into hope. And now we are celebrating 50 years of using outer space for benefits to all mankind. The 10 years before the 1967 treaty was adopted were used by nations to adapt to the outer space environment, which is quite different from Earth, air, and sea. The role of the military was defined to fit with the development of peaceful uses. Worldwide benefits were developed in communication, transportation, weather, agriculture, medicine, and many others. Nations relinquished sovereignty in outer space. The United Nations created the Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, with its procedure of scientific and technology review before legal analysis. Decisions were made by consensus, are made by consensus, which ensures their compliance. The 1967 principles were tested before they were adopted. We now face an increase in proposals by non-governmental entities to use outer space, including the moon and other celestial bodies, for purposes that may not meet the criteria essential for using the outer space environment. It is now time to implement Article 6 of the 1967 treaty, which requires authorization and continuing supervision by the appropriate state party of the treaty.